Newborn parents, this is what you need for wake windows. You want the Look or Play kit as soon as your baby arrives. Here's why. The playthings in this kit are designed to support your baby from birth, and they stay engaging all the way through 6 months. We created a new way to engage your baby's vision and hearing at the same time. Visual and auditory stimulation helps build the brain pathways they need for focus and learning later on. This is the Look At Me Ladybug. There is nothing like this out there. And we recommend introducing it around 4 weeks during tummy time. The sound, it's going to immediately grab your baby's attention. And then there's our beautiful word book, We're Awake. It is actually a lullaby. You can scan a QR code in the back and listen to it on Spotify or Apple Music. You're gonna get a rattle, this ball, it pops out for another way to play. And this is gonna be your baby's favorite teether. A double-sided mobile that engages and mesmerizes your baby. It slowly spins during diaper time. After around month 3, you can flip it to the colorful side. These playthings are so great for the stroller, for on the go. This is a great standing card holder. And don't overlook the value of this play guide. We are so excited for you to have this Look or Play kit. Congratulations on your new baby.